What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Lou Bar's Garage, and today we have yet another part that we'll be unboxing, reviewing, and installing on the 2023 Honda Civic Sport Touring. So let's go ahead and jump on in and see what we got. Okay, so, all right. Okay, here we go. Looks like we have a valve cover for our engine bay that we'll be installing. So if you guys remember a while back, I did show you what the engine bay looked like, and for these 2023 Honda Civics, they actually don't come with a cover. I thought it would be a great idea to install one. Let's go ahead and take a look. It looks like we have some wet carbon fiber here with some red. It is plastic, and we do have some heat shield here on the back. It did come with some mounting hardware. Let's open up the engine bay and see what we're working with. So this is what our engine bay looks like. We'll be installing that valve cover right over those coil packs that you see right there. It'll be a nice addition to the engine bay. It is red, so it'll tie in with the intake and also the battery cover over there. Dry fit it, see how this is gonna look. So it's gonna look something like this. Okay, so this is what we're gonna be working with, guys. Looks pretty big. It looks like it pretty much takes over the whole engine bay there. All right, let's go ahead and install this. Put that to the side. Now we're gonna install the supplied hardware. Got a few grommets. Looks like they're all the same size. And then we got these three. And it looks like these two are the same. And then we have one that looks to be a little bit thicker. I believe this one might be going here. And then the other two are gonna be going back here. First things first is we're gonna unscrew this bolt right here using a 10mm socket. All right, there's our bolt. And we're gonna replace it with one of the bolts, supplied bolts that the kit came with. We have a 10mm wrench we're gonna use. Tighten it down, okay. That was nice and snug. Next, we are going to unbolt these bolts right here. There's one 10mm. Okay, that one's snug. And our final bolt is going to be this big bolt right there. As you can see here, this is where we grabbed that other one from. Now this one, the stem was pretty short. It just barely screwed on, and then I used a wrench to tighten it down. Might be a little concerned that, you know, maybe down the road with all the vibrations, this might kind of come undone. You can maybe use a little bit of Loctite just to lock it down. With that last bolt back there, we're gonna have to upgrade to a 12mm. And here's our last one. I think it's a good indicator because this one is thicker than the other two, and that bolt back there was a lot thicker. And screw this in place. Okay, perfect. There's that. I'll bring you in for a closer look. Here we go, right there. There it is, guys. So it is, so here is one of them, catty corner to it right there. And you'll be able to tell because this bolt is a lot thicker. We got one bolt here, one bolt there. We got another bolt there. What I ended up doing off camera is installed these grommets that the kit came with. Here's one. And then if you flip it on the inside, there's 2 and 3. I will say these were a little tough to get on. I just used a flathead screwdriver to kind of pry it in and just went around in a circle to get the grommet in. Rest assured that it is definitely nice and snug on there. So we got 1, 2, and 3. Okay. It is about that time to fully seat this. So we're gonna have to unscrew our oil cap, set it aside, and we'll snap this into place. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. You'll feel it kind of snap into place there. Re-add our oil cap, and this is also gonna help it just kind of get seated in there. Clean it up a little bit. It's got a lot of fingerprint marks on it. There we have it, guys. Our new valve cover that we got off Amazon. I believe it was about $55, $60. The Type R has a real one. I would say a real one. This is made out of plastic. Again, we got the wet carbon fiber over here. We got the red, and this is what it's gonna look like from the top, so you can see. So we do have our oil cap there. There you go. That's what it looks like. What do you think? Do you like it? I think it actually dresses up the engine bay. Let me know what you guys think. Is this something that you guys would install onto your Honda or not? The value of the price was about, again, 56 bucks. It's more of an aesthetic piece, obviously. I would say it's not a bad value. I wish it was made of a better material than plastic. There you have it, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and please subscribe so we can continue to grow this channel together. We'll see you then, or we'll see you another time.